Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Karan. So today I am going to mix two things which never mix together. Isn't it surprising? Yes, I know that. So first I am going to take water, that is H2O, and now I am going to add some oil in that. So now as you can see I have added oil to this. And now I am going to show an magical experiment with you. So now let me show you before adding the magical solution in it. See, I am mixing it, but the oil is not mixing with it. As you can see, the oil hasn't mixed with the water. And now I am going to take water in one glass and then take some, and now I am going to take some sodium chloride. So now I have added some sodium chloride in water. Now let us mix it nicely. So now as you can see I have mixed it with water H2O, and now I am going to put this magical solution in the oil and water. So now let us mix with this. So now as you can see, the oil has been mixed with water. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.